Assalamualaikum. My name is Abdullah,
And I am Hijab, his sister. And today,
and today we will do some exercises of weight losing exercises which are very easy and very useful.
so first of all, we will start with stretches to warm up the body.
So do hands up and count till 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Try to touch your toes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we will start the real exercises. So, so now now we will do our next exercise, which is mountain climbing. Now we will do our next exercise, which is now we will do heel toe touch. Now we will do jumping.
Go.
Thanks for watching.
These are all of the exercises. And Allah Hafiz till next time. Bye bye.
Bye bye.